To fix a modem router that won't start, first check the power supply by ensuring the power adapter is securely plugged into both the router and a working outlet. If possible, use a multimeter to verify the voltage output of the adapter matches the label. Next, power cycle the router by unplugging it from the power source, waiting 30 seconds to allow all power to drain, and then plugging it back in. Inspect the modem router and power adapter for any visible signs of physical damage or overheating, and ensure the correct power adapter is being used. If necessary, reset the router by locating the reset button and holding it down with a paperclip for 15 seconds. Then releasing it and waiting for the router to reboot, although this will erase all settings and require resetting up the network. It's also important to ensure the modem router's firmware is up to date, either by performing a hard reset or contacting the manufacturer for assistance. After powering on the router, check the indicator lights and research their meaning online or in the router's manual to identify potential issues. If the problem persists, contact the manufacturer's customer support for further assistance. By following these steps, it should be possible to fix a modem router that won't start.